Last time, pinag-usapan natin ang wisdom and knowledge, the strengths we use when we think, analyze, and learn. Today, we are gonna dive into something more. Ang focus natin ngayon, the second virtue, which is courage. Courage is not just about being fearless. It's about moving forward even when you are scared. So, what makes a person courageous? Hmm? It's not just about skydiving or rescuing people from danger or makikipag laban tayo, makikipagsuntukan tayo sa enemy natin, right? So, courage shows up in everyday life. Define natin kung ano pa nga ba ang ibang definition ng courage. Medyo cringy to, no? So, courage daw kapag pinili mong lumaban kahit mahirap. Courage pa rin kapag nagpakatotoo ka. Naging authentic ka sa sarili mo. Courage din kahit alam mo yun, nakakapagod na pero nagpatuloy ka pa rin. And then, another one, this is my own perspective, when you face your emotions, your negative emotions, unpleasant emotion, hinarap mo yun kesa tinakbuhan mo. Diba? So, meron tong 4 character strength. So, si courage, may mga baby pa siya. Ito yung 4 na ito na babanggitin ko afterwards. With a real life example na baka ginagawa mo na, ina-execute mo na itong courage na sinasabi ko. So, ano nga ba yung una? First one, bravery. Synonyms lang pala, no? Pero ano nga bang bravery? Bravery is doing the right thing even when it's scary, unpopular, or uncomfortable. Halimbawa, you open up about your mental health struggle sa trusted friend kahit nakakatakot ma-judge. Totoo naman, right? So, pangalawa, you left a toxic relationship or job kahit uncertain kung ano yung susunod. Hindi dahil hindi ka natakot, pero dahil mas pinili mo alagaan ang sarili mo. So, that's bravery in action. Pangalawa, perseverance. So, this is your push pa more strength. Kahit paulit-ulit kang nadadapa, bumabangon ka pa rin. So, that's perseverance. Example na nga dito, no? For those of you na gumagawa ng thesis nila ngayon, yung may mga projects, or may mga personal goal na kahit ilang beses nang sumasablay, ang hirap. Napakahirap talaga, naiintindihan natin yan. Pero, nagpapatuloy ka pa rin, one step at a time. Ano pa ba? You keep showing up for your goals kahit wala pang immediate result. Yun yung isa sa pinakamahirap doon. Yeah? So, it's not always fast or flashy, pero consistent ka. Okay? Pangatlo, honesty. Ito yung strength ng pagiging totoo mo sa sarili mo, to others, and in the way you live your life. Example, you admitted na hindi ka talaga okay. So, instead of faking your smile, hindi. Nagpakatotoo ka. Kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, you show it. Okay? You owned up your mistake kahit mahirap. That's honesty as well. Yung pagiging accountable. Pagiging honest of the things you are facing currently. Na ito talaga yung totoo. Hindi na ako pwedeng mag-deny pa. That's being honest as well. Okay? Hindi lang yung honest na, ako ang nagnakaw niyan. Okay? Yan. Being honest is not always easy. It builds authenticity and trust. Essential ito para sa growth nating lahat. Alright? So, pang-apat naman, natawag nating zest or enthusiasm. Zest is living life with energy, excitement, and positivity. Kahit stress, kahit pagod. Ngayon? So, example na nga dito, you start your day with good morning energy kahit puyat talaga. For those of you na merong trabaho sa gabi. Kahit papano, hindi yung sobrang energy naman, no? Na all over the place, kundi mas pinipili natin to at least have that positivity na maging okay pa rin yung morning natin even though sometimes may mga pinagdadaanan tayo. Another one example, you show up for work or volunteer activities with genuine enthusiasm. Your zest can uplift others and it's contagious. Yan. Recap lang tayo. Okay? So, may apat na character strength and their courage. Una na nga dito, bravery, perseverance, honesty, and zest. So, bravery, doing the right thing kahit scary. Perseverance, not giving up kahit ilang ulit nang madapa. Honesty, living your truth. Zest, showing up with life. And energy. So, lahat tayo may tapang, pero iba-iba ang expression natin. Sometimes, courage is quiet. Sometimes, courage is simply choosing to keep going. I have a question for you. Ano ang courage strength na ginagamit mo lately o nagamit mo na in the past? Gusto ko rin marinig. Pwede mo nga ilagay sa comment section. Okay? Or ano kaya yung strength na gusto mong i-develop?